How to watch Premier League live on mobile legally. First things first is go ahead and pull up your preferred web browser. Right now I'm using my Google Chrome for this tutorial. Let's head to it. Then from here on your search bar, just go ahead and type in Sky Sports. Now you might want to click or press on the first option right here, which is Sky Sports official website. Just hit on it. Now from here, all you have to do is go ahead and click or press on the three lines located at the upper right corner of your screen. And then go ahead to sports. And here, you can go ahead and check for sports and what you wanted to watch live. Right now, it's present football. Okay, if you scroll down and then go ahead to live on Sky. So this is the current upcoming games that will be live using your mobile device legally. So to watch these lives on upcoming dates, all I have to do is scroll all the way up again, click on the three lines right here, and then press on Get Sky Sports. There. Now, for you to be able to watch those Premier League live, you'll have to upgrade to the Sky membership. You'll have to be you have to subscribe to Sky Sports. And from here, you just can go ahead and press on choose your membership. From here, you can choose any memberships you want for you to be able to watch the Premier League live. So that's how you watch Premier League live on mobile phone legally.